Hello guys! Welcome back to my West African Examination Council mathematics lesson. In the next 18 minutes, I will show you one of the easiest WAEC mathematics topics that can help you score fast marks in the exam, starting with statistics. Now listen carefully. Many students are scared of mathematics, but the funny thing is this: WAEC repeats statistics questions almost every year. And once you understand the formula pattern, you can answer questions quickly and secure easy marks. So, in this lesson I will show you 1. The formulas you must know. 2. How WAEC sets statistics questions. 3. Step-by-step solutions. 4. And how to avoid common mistakes students make in the exam. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's begin. Today's question is from a real WAEC statistics theory question. The question says, the table below shows the monthly pocket money in Naira of 40 senior secondary school students. Then WAEC provided class intervals and frequencies. This topic is called grouped frequency distribution. And from this single question, WAEC asks students to calculate 1. Class mark. 2. Mean. 3. Median. 4. Mode. 5. Probability. Now imagine this: one question, 5 different answers, easy marks. This is why statistics is one of the best topics to focus on before WAEC. First, let us understand the table properly. We have pocket money intervals: 500 to 999, 1000 to 1499, 1500 to 1999, 2000 to 2499, 2500 to 2999, 3000 to 3499. Then the number of students: 4, 8, 12, 7, 6, 3. The total number of students is 40. Now before solving anything, you must understand 2 important terms. Number 1. Class interval. A class interval is simply the range of values. Example, 500 to 999 is a class interval. Number 2. Frequency. Frequency means how many times something appears. So, if 12 students receive between 1,500 and 1,999 Naira, then the frequency is 12. Very simple. Part 2. Finding class mark. Now WAEC asks, find the class mark of each class interval. This is one of the easiest parts of statistics. The formula is class mark equals upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Let us solve together. First, we add a table starting with Part 2. Finding class mark. Now WAEC asks, find the class mark of each class interval. This is one of the easiest parts of statistics. The formula is class mark equals upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Let us solve together. First interval, 500 to 999. 500 plus 999 equals 1499. 1499 divided by 2 equals 749.5. So, the first class mark is 749.5. Next, 1000 plus 1499 equals 2499. 2499 divided by 2 equals 1249.5. Continue the same process. The class marks become 749.5, 1249.5, 1749.5, 2249.5, 2749.5, 3249.5, and that is your answer. Very easy marks already. Now let's move to number 2 with question. Calculate the mean monthly pocket. This is where many students panic. But don't worry, I'll simplify everything. The formula for mean is mean equals summation of fx divided by summation of f, where f equals frequency, x equals class mark. Summation fx equals sum of all fx values. Summation F equals total frequency. Now create a new table. Fx, which mean frequency times class mark. Now multiply frequency by class mark. First row, 4 times 749.5 equals 2,998. Second row, 8 times 1,249.5 equals 9,996. Third row, 12 times 1,749.5 equals 20,994. Fourth row, 7 times 2,249.5 equals 15,746.5. Fifth row, 6 times 2,749.5 equals 16,497. Last row, 3 times 3,249.5 equals 9,748.5. Now add all fx values together. The total becomes 75,980. Now divide by total frequency, which is 40. 75980 divided by 40 equals 1899.5. So the mean monthly pocket money is 1899.5 naira. And that is your answer. Now notice something important. WAEC usually gives marks for formula, table, correct substitution, final answer. So even if you make small mistakes, showing your steps can still give you marks. Never leave your paper blank. Now let's calculate question number 3. Calculate the median monthly pocket money. The median is simply the middle value in a set of data. For group data, we use the median formula. Median equals L plus open bracket N over 2 minus CF divided by F close bracket multiplied by H, where L equals lower boundary of the median class. N equals total frequency. CF equals cumulative frequency before the median class. F equals frequency of the median class. H equals class width. Now let's solve the question step by step. First, find N divided by 2. The total frequency is 40. So, N divided by 2 is equal to 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20. Next, we need to create the cumulative frequency column. To get the cumulative frequency, we keep adding the frequencies as we move down the table. We start with 4. Then, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. 24 plus 7 is equal to 31. 31 plus 6 is equal to 37. 37 plus 3 is equal to 40. Therefore, our cumulative frequencies are 4, 12, 24, 31, 37, 40. Now look carefully. The value 20 falls between 12 and 24. This means the 20th student is in the class interval 1,500 to 1,999. Therefore, 1,500 to 1,999 is our median class. This step is very important because whenever n divided by 2 falls within a cumulative frequency range, that class interval becomes the median class. Step 4. Convert the class interval to class boundaries. So we get our lower boundary, L, by converting our class interval into class boundaries using the method below. The class interval total frequency fall between 1,500 to 1,999. Lower limit. Then to get our lower boundary, we subtract 0.5 from the lower limit of the class interval and add 0.5 to 1,999, and high boundary, we add 0.5 to 1,999. So, 1,500 minus 0.5 is equal to 1,499.5. Lower limit equals 1,499.5. 1,999 plus 0.5 is equal to 1999.5. Upper equals 1999.5. So our lower boundary equals 1,499.5. Step 5. To get our height, h, we minus lower limit from upper limit. Therefore, h equals upper limit minus lower limit. So, h equals 1999.5 minus 1,499.5 is equal to 500, and f equals 12. Between the class mark median 12 fall between the frequency row, and cumulative frequency before the median class CF equals 12. Then let begin our solving. Now let's identify the values we need for the formula. L equals 1499.5, CF equals 12, F equals 12, H equals 500. Substitute the values into the formula. Median equals 1499.5 plus open bracket, 20 minus 12 divided by 12, close bracket multiplied by 500. Therefore, the median monthly pocket money is approximately 1,833 Nigerian nairas. Let's move to the next question, which is, calculate the mode monthly pocket money. This is actually the easiest of the three. The mode simply means the value that occurs most often. Look at the frequencies. 4, 8, 12, 7, 6, 3. The highest frequency is 12. Therefore, the modal class is 1,500 to 1,999. Now we apply the mode formula. Mode equals L plus open bracket F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 close bracket multiplied by H, where L equals lower boundary of modal class. F1 equals frequency of modal class. F0 equals frequency before modal class. F2 equals frequency after modal class. H equals class width. Let's identify the values. L equals 1499.5. F1 equals 12. F0 equals 8. F2 equals 7. H equals 500. Now substitute. Mode equals 1499.5 plus open bracket 12 minus 8 divided by 2 times 12 minus 8 minus 7 close bracket multiplied by 500. Therefore, the mode is approximately 1,721.5 Nigerian nairas. Great job! Now it's your turn to solve the remaining probability question. Assignment: use the table and calculate the probability required in the question. Pause the video and try it yourself before checking other students' answers. Comment your answer below, and I'll let you know if you got it right. Remember, the more WAEC questions you practice, the more confident you become in the exam. Like this video. Subscribe for more WAEC mathematics lessons. Turn on notifications. Comment below. I understand statistics now, and I'll bring another WAEC theory question solved step by step in the next lesson. Remember, practice creates confidence. Confidence creates success. See you in the next WAEC mathematics lesson.